Hi everyone, I'm Suraj. I'm from Odisha. I wanted to share my amazing journey with Networkers Home, especially if you're considering joining. I have completed my post graduation in applied electronics in the year 2019, but due to some personal reason and corona period, I could not start my career. After the corona, I have worked in non-IT domain, but I always wanted to build my career in IT domain. I decided to learn cloud computing. I got to know about Networkers Home, where they were claimed that the placement is 100% guarantee. So I quit the job and joined here. Here I learned the networking things like in the CCNA course, and I learned both AWS security and Azure security and cloud DevOps also. Here I learned CCNA from Dakshini ma'am and Kundan sir, and I learned AWS Azure from Nikun sir, Amit sir, and Linux I learned from Ajay sir, and cloud DevOps I learned from Avinash sir. The instructors have been really supportive and very skillful. In this era of AI, where companies are laying off and the lays off are going on everywhere, for a moment I lost my faith that I'll get placed as I had career gap. But the trainers and Susan ma'am, they gave me confidence and they asked me not to worry about. And the most important part is they provided interview preparation classes, which was really helpful to perform in the interview. And they provided communication classes. So thank you Networker Home